Hello students, how are you all? My name is Priya Seth. Today I am going to teach you subtraction. So students, let's begin. In this video, we are going to study meaning of subtraction, some basic concept of subtraction, subtraction on number line, and we will do some questions on subtraction. So let's start meaning of subtraction. Subtraction means take away or removal of something. Let's take an example. Here you can see 5 apples are given. When we remove 2 apples from 5, we are left with 3. So we are subtracting 2 from 5. It is called as subtraction. The process of taking one number away from another number is called as subtraction. अगर हम किसी नंबर को दिए हुए नंबर से घटाते हैं तो हम उसे subtraction बोलते हैं. Sign of subtraction is given here. You can see it is also called as minus. हम इसको minus भी बोलते हैं. Now next, parts of subtraction. Here you can see 3 parts are given. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So here 5 is minute, 1 is subtrahend, and 4 is the difference which we are getting. Now next, basic concept of subtraction. So here first concept is given. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Let's take an example. Here an apple is given. When we minus 1 apple from 0 apple, we are left with 1, which is the number itself. Like that, when we minus 100 from 0, we get 100, which is the number itself. Now next concept. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. Let's take an example to understand this. Here you can see 2 cupcakes are given. When we minus 1 cupcake from the 2, we are left with 1, which is the predecessor of the number. Predecessor means the number from which we are subtracting, that is 2. 2 के पहले हमारा 1 आता है. So 1 is the predecessor. Like that, suppose you have to minus 1 from 4. So 4 के पहले हमारा 3 आता है, तो 3 हमारा predecessor है, जो कि हमारा आंसर होगा. Subtraction of same number. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Here you can see in the first block, 3 cars are given. अगर हम 3 कार में से 3 कार को माइनस करें तो क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. We are left with nothing. Like that, if we minus 100 from 100, 100 minus 100 is equals to 0. Now let's do some question. Here you can see 3 balloons are given in first block. Now if you burst 2 balloons, then we are left with 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 1 is our answer. Next question. In the first block, you can see 9 cups are given. Suppose 3 cups are broken by someone, so you have to remove 3 cups from the 9. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our answer. Subtraction using number line. So here we are going to understand subtraction by using number line. So let's take an example to understand this. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3, which you have to find out. Here you can see a number line is given in which 0 to 10 number is given. So to subtract 4 from 7, first start from 0 and move towards right 7 steps. You reach 7. Then move 4 steps back to left because you have to minus 4. So you will reach 3, which is your answer. Thank you students for watching my video. Do like and subscribe and also share with your friends.